Hello everyone, welcome to HCO Career. Now we're back with the most demanded courses which are related to civil engineers and mechanical engineers. Don't miss this platinum opportunity because these courses are totally free. Nothing we have to pay here, and you will get certificate also once you complete the enrolled course. You can share the video to your friends who need this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. So without delaying, let's get started. This is the first course now which I am going to introduce to you. So that is free AutoCAD comprehensive training lectures. You can see on the screen. Even civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, everyone can enroll this course because free of cost. After the completion of this course, you will be able to draw all 2D drawings which are related to civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and so on. And come here, subscription includes. It is nearly 15 hours course with high quality videos, and 22 lectures are here totally. Full-time access also. Full-time access means after the completion of your course, sometime you may forget some commands and some applications and so on. So that time also you can access the course, retake the course, and you will get certificate after the completion of your course. So don't miss this chance, and free certification also you will get here. So just what you need to do is you have to enroll this course. Before going to enrolling this course, come here. What you learn in this course: creating 2D drawings using the most famous drawing software AutoCAD, and requirements laptop, PC. So if you don't have any laptop or PC, nothing to worry, you can access this course on your mobiles. And description also you can see here, and course contents also you can see. Very first introduction, which is learning the AutoCAD interface, something related to interface, panel, ribbon, menu, and so on you will learn in first course. Totally 22 lectures are here. So it depends upon you. If you complete the course within 2 days, you will get the certificate within 2 days. If you complete the course some more days, it takes some more days. After the completion of your course, instantly you will get the certificate. So I'm again reminding you, don't miss this chance. And the second course is related to Revit architecture. You can see on the screen, learn Revit architecture from basics to advanced level. Now if you are zero in Revit architecture, nothing to worry about it, because after the completion of this course you will be hero in it. And come here and see the subscription includes. It is 11 hours course with high quality videos. Totally 59 lectures are here, and full-time access also. You will get certificate after the completion of this course. So very happy, and it is totally free, nothing we have to pay here. And again I am reminding you, don't miss this chance. Again and again it won't come. And what you will learn in this course, you can see here on the screen. Revit allows users to design a building and structure and its components in 3D, annotate the model with 2D drafting elements, building information modeling. Wow, it is BIM, right? And requirements: basic architecture knowledge and basic computer knowledge. You can see on the screen description also. Entire description. Topics includes understanding the BIM and Revit architecture, and navigation views, creating a new project from a template. Everything you will learn in this course. And index also you can see here: introduction, core concepts, stairs, rooms, sheets, plotting and publishing, conclusion, everything. And course content also you can see on the screen. So you will get certificate after the completion of this course. Don't make delay, go and click on enroll button. So if you are new to tutorial points, you need to create one account. What you need to do now is just create account. Yes, very first you have to enter your full name and email ID. While you are going to enter your full name, be careful. Whatever the name you are going to enter now, the same name will be appear on your certification. So be careful here, and after that you can enter your email ID. One OTP will be sent to your email ID, and you can copy and paste here. That is the process of creating an account. After that you can start learning this course. Finally you will get certificate also here. So don't miss this chance. I'm again reminding you, use this lockdown period. And for more free online courses, subscribe to this channel, and you can comment below which courses you want further, so that we will come up with them. And thank you for being connecting with us, and share the video to your friends who need this, so that it will help them. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share to your friends.